Assalamu alaikum and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy life, sexual life and happy life, and please you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting for latest videos. So whether it is over today, bring some special beautiful crochet top blouses ideas for modern girls. So guys, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, and made knitting variety, different ideas, beautiful pattern. Most demanding collection, most wearing collection. Some are full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, soft shoulder, beautiful neck design, beautiful sleeve design. Most demanding, most likely collection. Follow my channel. Like and share my video. When you press the bell icon, you will get notification all of my videos and latest ideas about costing work. So beautiful. Some are light color uses, some are dark color contrast. Same color ideas, multi colors, rainbow colors, beautiful pattern, different designing, beautiful ideas. Follow my channel, like and share my video. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye. Take care for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers. Bye bye.